people who are in the midst of life, people who are celebrating life. And I'm in all, and all are in me. And yet I am on my own. And I think when I'm on my own, I'm the artist. So there's an artist in each one of us. And therefore, today, which is the 30th of January, the day Mahatma Gandhi was killed, one of the tallest leaders of our regions and of the 20th century, was a victim to the politics of hate in which we are once again in the midst. He had accepted partition and had called for India and Pakistan to live as peaceful neighbors. Undoubtedly, Gandhi wanted Pakistan to protect its minorities and India to protect its minorities too. Not only that, after the carnage accompanying partition, Gandhi had the temerity to dream that one day Hindu Sikh refugees would return from India to their homes in Pakistan, and Muslim refugees, likewise from Pakistan, to the places they had left behind in India. Today, our region has put Gandhi's understanding on its head, where the minority in most of our countries are almost living second-rate citizens, and the dissenters are criminalized. Before I conclude, I want to emphasize that dissent is a work of art, and as a medium of ethical intervention, art has been pivotal in conveying messages of dissent and giving a voice to the people. We at Sapan are pleased to bring together a stellar panel of artists from across the region to discuss the role of art and the artist in society and in resisting the forces of darkness, remembering Brecht. In the dark times, will there also be singing? Yes, there will also be singing about the dark times.